So this is the Lean Six Sigma Yield and Performance Metrics. Go ahead and make sure you're comfortable with the formulas and the understanding of what each metric does. Set out on page 177 to 183. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this process. It's a like a print order process that's online, kind of like a Vista print operation. It's got several stages here: customer input, customer information inputted, estimate, file submission, file converter, order confirmation, job ticket, pre-press, print production, post-press, shipping, confirmation of delivery, online survey, and actually forwarding that survey to management. The FTYs will be expressed in the thousands. Your QC SOP considers scrap plus rework defects. So if we add scrap plus rework, I can actually put down the number of defects. The DPUs will be rounded up to the nearest thousands. DPOs in the nearest 100,000s. It's okay to round up. Do not round, though, the DPMOs. Sigma level ratings are expressed in 0.0. Rounds to the 10th. So enter the sigma level on the chart below, which is right here, closest to the DPMO in the table. So now that we know defects, we can go ahead and start putting our formulas in, so doing our math, and we know that in minus scrap minus rework, so in minus these three things divided by in would give us our FTY, and that's expressed in a percentage. So we're going to be 99.82%. The DPU is the number of defects observed divided by in, so 18 divided by the in, and that's expressed as a percentage as well. DPO is the total number of defects observed divided by the number of opportunities times in. We'll go ahead and put that number down. And then if we just times the DPO by 1,000,000, we'll go ahead and get our DPMO. And then if we look on the table on page 182, actually we'll do the DPMO, which is DPO is 100. We'll go ahead and put that number down, and that's 5.22. So now that I've done that for you, you'll be able to do the rest. The second part is you give us the RTY, which is all of the FTYs times together, which will give me the RTY in the bottom here. Again, fillable here. And then on the second page, you're just going to answer some questions. So you're going to look at the FTY, the DPU, the DPO, DPMO, and the sigma level, sigma data totally, or sigma data above, and you're going to tell me what those metrics are telling you and what conclusions can you draw from them. What are in the in column? What can that tell us? And if you look at the actual income, I'll give you a hint. It starts at 10.233. Then all the way through the process, we're only yielding 9,879 orders. So somehow or another, we lost some orders. So that's telling us something's going on in the process. What's the voice of the customer for this print portfolio package? And here we want to look at everything that the customer supplies. So the customer supplies us information, yes. We give them an estimate, yes. File submission, yes. So those three things are voice of the customer, the confirmation delivery, the online survey, and the customer input to management. Those are all voice of the customers. So if we got a relatively low rating on sigma levels on these voice of the customer areas, those are the areas we would want to prioritize. We definitely want to make sure we're addressing the customer's needs first, and then we can start improving our process. Relatively simple questions here, just real simple, brief answers.